G'day folks, Steve Christensen's my name. Today we're talking about frozen uncarbonated beverage. It's a real rising star in the food service market. A, because the equipment is relatively advanced, and B, the profits are very, very high. Now, a machine like this frozen uncarbonated beverage that Stoelting has designed, has a multitude of different uses in a lot of different segments of the market. So in the nightclub and bar market, you've got the application where you're looking at mainly adult and alcoholic beverages, such as margarita mixes and daiquiri mixes. But you can also run a neutral base through this where you can add flavor and alcohol to it, which gives you some flexibility in that market. Another great thing about this kind of unit is it works very well in the restaurant and family-oriented market as well. So you're looking at smoothie type products as well as iced coffees and so forth. So across the board, a unit like this has multiple applications, and again, the product is very, very flexible and very, very highly profitable. So let's look specifically at this Stoelting unit. Now, you'll see for a start it's a very slimline design, which is very advantageous, particularly when footprints in your restaurant or bar tend to be an issue. So we have a very small footprint machine, very elegantly designed, and it just looks really good. Now, so far as venting is concerned, we manufacture an air-cooled and a water-cooled unit. So on an air-cooled unit, you're actually bringing in the ambient air from the side of the machine and venting it through the top. So clearance from the back is not an issue. You can push it right up against the wall. On an air-cooled unit, you do need to have 3 inches or so between each of the units. Now, Stoelting also manufacture a water-cooled unit where the clearance is even better. We do have a large capacity hopper. So in each of the units that we have, there is a 5-gallon hopper. So you can either fill that hopper manually. There is a low mix sensor here, so when the hopper does drop down below that acceptable level, you'll see that the add mix light comes on, and you'll be able to top that up manually. There are also some autofill options where the hopper will actually automatically fill from a receptacle behind the unit, which is very, very good for high capacity applications. It's a very, very simple operation, a single switch operation where you have an off function, clean, and your on function. And you'll see as we turn the unit on, we have this LED light display, which is really advantageous, particularly from a marketing standpoint. So we have the product or the barrel, which is illuminated, which again illuminates your product, great for marketing and for impulse buys. And you also have this headboard here, or billboard, that you can either market or promote the flavor of the product that you have in the unit, or you can do some product branding so far as your concept is concerned. Very, very easy to run. It's a high capacity machine, so as I mentioned, the hopper was 5 gallons, the barrels are 2 gallons each, which is great for capacity. So far as the different models are concerned, the A118, which is the smaller of the two, will actually fill 16 of these 32-ounce pitchers per hour, which is a really high capacity. But you've also got the D118, which will do 32 of these 32-ounce pitchers in an hour. So the A118 will do about 8 to 10 gallons per hour so far as capacity is concerned. The D118 will do up to 15 gallons an hour. So again, for a very small footprint machine, it's really got great capacity. As we look at the spigot here, it is a push-pull spigot or a push-pull handle. Spring-loaded, self-closing, so waste is minimized and the operation is very, very easy. And in fact, the process of filling the machine running and cleaning the machine is very, very easy as well. You simply flush the machine with a water or a sanitizer, and it's, particularly with the water-based products, very, very easy to clean, very fast to clean. The operation of the machine also is really silent. So we've done a lot of industry testing, and it is the quietest in the industry so far as the operational sound is concerned. And that's important, particularly if you've got a number of these units side by side. You don't want them drowning out the ambience of your store or restaurant. So that's a quick overview of the frozen uncarbonated beverage machine. Really advantageous to have this in your business regardless of where your customer demographic is. Now, you can feel comfortable in knowing that all Stoelting equipment has an industry-leading warranty, and we've got a nationwide service and support network that will support you in the ongoing operation and maintenance of this machine. So if you need any other information or have any questions, a lot of this information and much, much more is on our website, stoeltingfoodservice.com.